Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you are right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. What I have to share with you is Intelligence Prime Capital upgrade. That is how to upgrade to Rhea to Master C bot. How to upgrade to Master C bot. Explore AI in wealth creation. Okay, quickly let me take you to the site, to this website. Let me log into my account to show you how to get it done quickly. So I need to reload this. Sorry, please let me pause this video so that I can log into my account. Okay. Alright, I have successfully logged into my account. So here is the latest information that we have from IPC. And I read, number one says, IP Capital has been made aware that there has been scammers that are impersonating IPC officials on Telegram. We would like to remind our users that we do not offer any customer support on Telegram. So we just need to be very, very careful whenever we are on Telegram, because there are several scammers right out there. They will tell you that they are representative from IP Capital, whereby they can request for your real login details. So you giving it to them, that means that you have given them access to wipe away all your funds in your account. So just be very, very careful whenever you're on Telegram. And number two says, do not click on any phishing links provided to you by officials on Telegram. So we just need to be very, very extra careful whenever we are going to click on any URL that tends to lead to IPC website. So check the real IPC website before you click any link. Okay. Number three says, we do not have IPC live chat bot on Telegram. So as I said earlier, none of the officials is on Telegram to assist you with any questions that you might have. So just put away your mind from any Telegram officials that claims to be from IPC. So we just need to be very, very careful with our account. So that is why I will also advise you to make sure to tighten up the security of your account by doing the Google authentication. That is by doing your two-step verification, two-step verification. Then you should download Google Authenticator. Then you should link it up with your account so that it will be more protected. All right. So now let me take you to how to upgrade to the Master C bot. You first click on the menu icon here. Click on the menu icon. Then you click on dashboard. You click on the subscription button here. You click on the subscription button here. Initially, we have three bots in IPC. We have the Brilliant bot, we have the Genius bot, and we have the Smart bot. And now the Master C bot, it has been introduced. But the clause there is that for those that have subscribed to the Genius bot, they are going to get this bot for free. It is absolutely free for those that have subscribed to the Genius bot before. So Master C bot it will be free for them. I don't know about those that subscribe to the Brilliant bot or to the Smart bot. So what you just need to do, if you have already subscribed to the Genius bot before, you just click on upgrade. You click on upgrade here. So when you click on then you will download the ILPO, that is the form, the agreement form between you and IPC. You download it and then you input 0, or if you have any amount in your wallet address, you input it, then you click OK. So that is how to go about it. Just click on upgrade, then you know how to go about the rest. Alright, so that is how to upgrade from your Genius bot to Master C bot. And with your Master C bot, 50% is guaranteed. Unlike the other bot that we have here, which is the Genius bot, it gives the maximum ROI of 45%, while our Brilliant bot gives the maximum ROI of 30%, and the Smart bot gives maximum of 15%. But with Master C bot, you can earn up to 50% on your capital, and the minimum equity is still $100 like the like the initial one. So that is how to go about it. Thanks so much for watching this video. And before I go, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So for that reason, if you are new here, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell, set it to all notifications, and share it with your friends and family, so that they too can be notified about this video. It can be a turning around for them. All right, so till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.